Painting a front door often feels like the fastest, most affordable fix. But in many cases, it actually accelerates damage instead of solving it. One of the biggest problems is trapping moisture. When paint is applied over an already failing or porous surface, any moisture inside the door becomes sealed in. As temperatures change, that trapped moisture expands, causing bubbling, peeling, and cracking, often worse than before. Paint lacks the flexibility needed for exterior doors. Front doors constantly expand and contract due to heat, cold, and humidity. Most paints, especially standard exterior house paints, are too rigid to handle this movement, so they crack as the door shifts. Once cracks form, water gets in and the cycle restarts. Another issue is improper surface preparation. DIY painting usually skips full stripping, sanding, and sealing of edges and seams. Painting over old finishes, previous paint layers, or damaged areas prevents proper adhesion and guarantees early failure, often within a single season. Paint also blocks the natural breathability of the door, especially on wood. Without proper sealing and flexible coatings, moisture has no controlled way to escape, increasing the risk of rot and swelling over time. Dark paint colors make the problem worse by absorbing heat, raising the surface temperature of the door, and further stressing both the paint and the material underneath. In contrast, professional door refinishing removes failed coatings completely, repairs damage, and applies specialized, exterior-grade finishes designed to flex, seal, and protect against UV and moisture. While painting may look good for a short time, it often shortens the lifespan of the door, making refinishing the smarter investment for lasting results. And DoorRenew can refinish your door for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.